Hello, friend. Well, I just got back home from a week-long trip to the Georgia coast, and I'm feeling refreshed and inspired. My next few videos will be all about beach fun, and I can't wait for you to see what I've been working on. To kick things off, my first video in this series is the June Filler Challenge from Kelly on her channel, Kelly's Kidz. I'll make sure to link her video in the description box below. Plus, I'll also be featuring some adorable shoebox gifts in my upcoming videos. So let's celebrate the start of this summer together with this fun, sunny series. I can't wait for you to join me.
Sweetie daily spreading the light, painting home in boxes so bright.
Before we get started, I just want to offer up a big shout out to Kelly for organizing this fun June filler challenge. A party in a shoebox is a great idea. Filler items are always in demand at the processing center, and these are just the perfect touch to bring extra joy to any shoebox gift. Thank you, Kelly. For this filler challenge, I chose a beach theme, and here's what it will look like before I put it in the bags, and I will show you how I put all of this together. So to start off with, we have these cute beach-themed cups. One is a flamingo, and the other one is a pineapple design. I like how colorful they are. And next, I have some sticker sheets here that I've had in my stash for just a really long time. And they're full-page sticker sheets, so I will have to fold them in half, and hopefully the crease will not be too severe and it won't ruin any stickers, I'm hoping. But anyway, I really wanted to include some stickers in this filler pack. Next, I will place this Aloha beach ball in the cup. Children of all ages enjoy balls, so I wanted to make sure that I included one in this filler pack. I will be including a mini notebook and a scripture card that says, "The joy of the Lord is my strength." And if you like the scripture card and you would like to use it in your own filler gifts or shoe boxes, you can print it off at the website, sweetteadaily.com. I have this cute little car with a surfboard on it, and it is a pullback car. Next, I have a little Pop-It octopus keychain. And this might be my favorite item. These are really fun. They're little suction cup Pop-It fishes. See if it'll go. Whoop. It got in the cup. Oh, that's funny. Y'all, look what happened. I caught a fish in a cup. How cute is that? We'll also be including one of these colorful cross necklaces and one of these colorful plush dolphins. These are perfect to add to a cup. And then I will also be adding in an ocean pencil. Okay, so here is just an overview of all the items I'm going to be including in this filler pack. And I'm going to go ahead and put one together on camera so that you can see how I'm going to put them together. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and try to put one of these together on camera so that you can see how I organize everything in the cup. So here I have a little pineapple cup, and I am going to take one of these sticker sheets and I'm going to just fold it in half. I'm going to try not to crease it too much. There we go. And next I'm going to take an Aloha beach ball. I'm going to put the ball inside. Okay, next I'm going to take a mini notebook. There we go. Then I'm going to take one of these scripture cards and put that in. There we go. Next, I'm going to take one of these cars and I'm going to put that in there. Then I'm going to take a octopus poppet. Here is a fish pop-up fish. A cross necklace. Okay. Next, we'll include a little dolphin plush. And last but not least, a pencil. See if I can find a way to put that in there. Okay, and then I'm going to put them all in one of these bags here. And I might have to tape it. I don't know that the pencil will allow me to tie it at the top, but we'll see. Okay, so I will not be able to tie it at the top, but what I will do is fold it over, and then I will place a piece of tape for it like that. Here are the completed filler packs ready to be delivered to the processing center. As always, I want to thank you so much for joining me today. May God bless you and your shoebox ministry. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Colors bright and messages bold. In our hands, His story told. Gifts wrapped in the warmth of grace, bringing smiles